The very fact that the father is now legally banned from even challenging this, querying this, disagreeing with this, shows that this is so obviously a political move. If it were a healthcare decision, you can debate healthcare decisions, but the fact that the prescription here, the remedy, including a judge sewing the dad's mouth shut, tells us the whole thing is politics. Politics using this girl as a weapon. How bitterly, terribly sad. I'll read some more. In February, the boy, I love that, who is in grade 9, sought an order from the court recognizing that it was in his best interest to undergo treatment for gender dysphoria and that he had the capacity to consent to such treatment. Yeah, again, the reporter calls her a boy. I'm sorry, I won't, even if I'm ordered by a court to say it, I just won't say the moon is made out of cheese. I won't believe you if you tell me you're actually the king of Spain. I'm sorry, I have freedom of conscience and thought and believe, and I have the right to tell you you're full of it, whether I tell you gently because you're my confused 14-year-old girl who's obviously stressed out by a family divorce and pressured by activists, or whether you're a doctor doing literal human experiments on your patients, or whether you're a court telling me I can or can't say things. Sorry, I'm still free, or I'll die trying to be. But listen to this, I'll read some more. BC Supreme Court Justice Gregory Bowden subsequently granted the request, concluding that there should not be any further delays to treatment. So they're talking about the treatment now. That's what they call turning a girl into a boy with drugs. Citing the boy's risk of suicide. Yeah, pump her full of drugs. That'll reduce the suicide risk. Bowden also went on to declare that any attempts to persuade the boy to abandon treatment, addressing the boy by his birth name. Can you imagine that? Addressing the boy by his birth name, as in calling her the name she was given, or referring to the boy as a girl, or with female pronouns, shall be considered family violence. Really? So it's okay for strangers to persuade the girl she's not a girl, but not for her dad, who actually loves her, helped to make her. It's against the law for him to try and persuade her of anything, even to call her by her legal name. The dad can't even talk to his daughter anymore without the state's intervention. Can't call the girl the name he gave her when she was born. It's like a forbidden word. He literally is not allowed to call the girl by her legal name, the name he gave her when she was born. The government says so. The government. This is Stalinist stuff. This is Maoist stuff. So the dad is obviously frustrated. Who wouldn't be frustrated? Beyond frustrated. Wouldn't you be? What a Kafkaesque world. That's an excerpt from the Ezra Levant show. Every day I do a video monologue and then I interview an interesting guest, and then I end by reading my hate mail. But you've got to subscribe to it, which you can do at therebel.media/shows.